Imagine your arteries throwing a tantrum every time you eat something greasy. Oh no, not the fried chicken again. We're clogged enough as it is. If you don't want your blood vessels staging a protest, you might want to rethink your menu. Here's a list of foods that could turn your cholesterol levels into a horror story. Fast food, the ultimate villain. Burgers, fries, and deep-fried everything. Fast food is basically cholesterol's best friend. It's loaded with trans fats and saturated fats that stick to your arteries like clingy exes. Time to break up. Full-fat dairy, creamy but deadly. Love cheese, butter, and whole milk. Well, your cholesterol does too. A little too much. These dairy products are packed with saturated fat, which can send your LDL bad cholesterol through the roof. Opt for low-fat or plant-based alternatives instead. Processed meats, the silent artery killers. Hot dogs, bacon, and sausages may taste amazing, but your heart disagrees. These meats contain high levels of cholesterol, sodium, and preservatives, making them a triple threat to your cardiovascular health. Fried foods, a crispy trap. Fried chicken, onion rings, and potato chips, crispy, crunchy, and absolutely terrible for your cholesterol. The oils used in deep frying are loaded with trans fats, which raise your LDL and lower your HDL good cholesterol. Talk about betrayal. Baked goods, sweet but sinister. Cookies, pastries, and cakes may look innocent, but they're often packed with butter, shortening, and hidden trans fats. They're basically desserts with a side of clogged arteries. Red meat, a double-edged sword. Steaks and ribs might be delicious, but eating too much red meat can pump up your cholesterol levels. Lean cuts in moderation. Fine, a daily steakhouse visit. Not so much. Coconut oil, not as innocent as it seems. Coconut oil might be trendy, but don't be fooled, it's super high in saturated fat. While some claim it has health benefits, if you have high cholesterol, it's better to use heart-friendly oils like olive or avocado oil. Your heart works hard for you every day, don't make its job harder. Swap out these cholesterol-raising foods for heart-healthy options, and your arteries will thank you. Want more health tips with a dash of humor? Hit that subscribe button and keep your heart happy. See you next time.